how to install apps on your iPhone 13 Pro. So for that, you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. So let's dive into the process. So very first step is that you have to locate the App Store on your home screen and tap it to open. So once you have opened up your Apple Store, use the search bar at the top of your screen and you have to tap on the search bar and type the name of the app that you are looking for. And you can also go for the browse option or look for the suggested option here and just go and tap on that. After finding here, if you want to install the app, you have to tap on the get button if the app is free. So here you have to tap on the get option. And after that, you may need to authenticate to download. So this can be done through your Face ID, Touch ID or entering your Apple password depending on your setting. So here you can see that. After that, the app will begin downloading. So the app will begin downloading here. Once it's finished, the app icon will be appear on your home screen. Here you can find that. After that, here you can see that I have successfully downloaded that app on my device. If you want to open that app, just go and open it. So you can start using your app here like this. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.